Alrighty artists, so in box 1 it states that you will have wet paper plus drops of color added to that. So what we are going to do is actually take our brush, and there is a cup of water at your table, and we are going to simply add some water to your brush, and we are going to just add 1 or 2 layers of water throughout that entire box until the entire box is covered with water. And the reason we're adding water is so that when we add color to this, they blend together. And really the goal of this one is to get kind of like a tie-dye or marble technique. So when the water is already added to the paper, it just makes it easier for the color to travel. So I am going to do maybe some purple, blue, or green tones. You can do whatever colors you want. I am just going to work with those 3, so I'm just going to add a little water to my paint, and I am just going to kind of dot it on the paper and let that travel, kind of like this. And you can just do little droplets of color all over the paper. So first I'm just going to, again, start with my purple. If you want it to travel longer, you just hold it down more. And I'm going to kind of start by spreading out those different colors. And then in between the purple, I'm going to go in with a different color like blue and use a different color there and just let that paint spread gradually. So then you'll see that that paint kind of travels to create almost like a tie-dye effect. And if you wet down your paper more by just adding more water in between these little drops of color, you'll see that the paint spreads more with more water. I'm going to go in lastly and add a little bit of green. Just allow that to travel a little bit. So again, just adding kind of little drops of color and letting those spread into each other is the goal here.